Every glass bottle begins with three simple materials: sand, soda ash, and limestone. These raw minerals are carefully measured and mixed to create the perfect glass formula. The mixture is then transported into a massive furnace, where temperatures rise above 1,500 degrees Celsius. Inside this intense heat, the raw materials melt into molten glass, glowing bright orange like liquid fire. Once fully melted and refined, the molten glass flows through channels toward high-speed forming machines. Precise portions of glowing glass are cut and dropped into steel molds. Compressed air shapes the molten glass inside the mold, forming the basic bottle structure. In seconds, the bottle takes shape, perfectly smooth and evenly formed. The process happens continuously, producing thousands of bottles every hour. But the bottles are still extremely hot. They travel slowly through a long cooling tunnel called an annealing layer. Here, the temperature is gradually reduced to prevent cracks and internal stress. After cooling, each bottle passes through advanced inspection systems. Cameras and sensors scan for tiny defects, ensuring strength, clarity, and perfect shape. Any flawed bottles are automatically removed. Finally, the approved bottles are cleaned, packaged, and prepared for shipment. From beverages to medicines and perfumes, these glass containers will soon be filled and distributed around the world. From simple sand to crystal clear precision, that's how glass bottles are made.